Hi there. In this video, we'll learn the rules for naming variables in Python. When we create variables, we need to follow some rules so that Python understands what we mean. Let's go through them one by one. 1. Start with a letter variable. Names must begin with a letter, either lowercase or uppercase. Valid. Name equals Alice. Invalid. To name equal Bob. Starts with a number. Not allowed. 2. Case sensitivity. Python is case sensitive. That means uppercase and lowercase letters are different. Valid. My var equal 5. Invalid. Example. It's not an error, but this can cause confusion. My var eats 5, my var eats 10. These are two different variables. Be careful with capital letters. 3. Use letters, numbers, and underscores. After the first letter, you can use letters, numbers, and underscores. Valid. User, 1 score, 100. Invalid. And user score, equal 100. Dash is not allowed. Only underscores can be used, not dashes or other symbols. 4. No spaces. You can't have spaces in variable names. Use an underscore y0 instead. Valid. Total price equals 25.50. Invalid. Total price equals 25.50. Space will cause an error. 5. Avoid keywords. Python has special words called keywords. You can't use them as variable names. Valid. Loop count equals 10. Invalid. For each 10 hand, 4 is a keyword. Python will show an error. Some other keywords are if, while, df, and class. That's a wrap, so remember. Start with a letter. Be careful with uppercase and lowercase. Use letters, numbers, and underscores. Don't use spaces. Avoid Python keywords. Follow these rules and your variables will work just fine. Thanks for watching.